I always say, one life you live. So today, I don't keep things simple, but we are born extra. It's not like this, but it's half this, back and frontless, one sleeveless. Balance. Yes, sir. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Kamana. So on today's video we are gonna do a quick little haul from Fashion Nova. As you can see beside me, it's already here, so let's get into it without more talking. So I'm really excited because it's my first time ordering from Fashion Nova, so it's gonna be quick, short little clothing haul from Fashion Nova, so hope you enjoy the video. Let me show you my OOTD. It's just a basic because I was at work today. This is a black from Shein, all Shein, and oh, I gotta show you my bow. So let's just get into it. So what do we have here? Oh. First we have a boxer set in brown color. I hope you can see from the far. It's just a brown one. Written Fashion over here. Love the color. And next we have just a cropped blazer. It's in color olive. Looks nice. Its material is also nice. Next, this is just a wide leg lounge pant, or you can say joggers. Just a simple one I wanted to buy. Let's see it. Of course it's longer, so I had to tailor it, I think. So it's not that like new products or something. I just ordered what I wanted to have, not like new drop or something. Next we have a ribbed pant set. It's top here, sleeveless. Here's the bottom. These two are the pant set. I will try them on later and show you guys as well. So, and then we have finally we found some hopefully fitting. It's a linen short. I couldn't find in white color, so it's a bit off-white. Just a basic shirt. Let's see if it fits me or not. And we are done. Last but not the least, this one is I'm really excited about. So this is just a pant set in brown, like a suit material, you know. So here's the top with the buttons and kind of stripe on it. Not so much that there is a lining going on. I like it. They didn't have on my size. It was out of stock, so I waited and finally I got it, and so I ordered. It's a band. I think I need to get it tailored as well, I believe. It's always the same problem. But it problem, you know. Anyway, that's all from Fashion Nova. And which one did you like it? Just let me know. I will just try it on later on as well. Oh, and one more package I have got for today from Amazon. So let's open it. Just elf blush, liquid blush. I have never used liquid blush. So this sunset liquid sunset blush thing, I forgot, or something like with the 3 colors like orange, pink and golden, and it gives you then the sunset blush skin or something. I don't know how to say it. And I have another one. I already got it the day before yesterday. It's the pink one. So, and I'm really excited to try this. These are from Elf Cosmetic, and please ignore my nails. And I just wanted to add a last package to this video because I just got this last time, and I just opened it already just to check if every product is there or not, but I haven't unboxed it yet. It is just my skincare products that I had to add. If you watch my video, I did a skincare haul last time, so there was few products missing. I mean, I ran out of few products and one product was wrong, so I have the one now, and it's all Korean product. Let's see how it will do for me. So first and foremost, I have this niacinamide serum, niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum from Anua, as I mentioned it last time as well. I hope you can see it properly. It's a nice red color. I don't know if I can smell it or not right now. I have heard that this smells really good, but maybe right now I am having some allergic reaction, so I couldn't smell, but I will let you know. Oops. On to the next. It's just another eye serum by Beauty of Joseon, or Joseon. I can't pronounce it. I don't know the correct pronunciation, so we leave at that because it doesn't matter anyway. YOLO. It's my life motto these days. So here's the one. Actually, this is this one I'm showing today. I ordered from some other Korean website, and the last time I ordered it from Amazon. So let's see if there is any difference in the products, if I get fake ones, if I'm let's see if I'm scammed. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully my skin gets better. Anywho, to the next, we have here Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics. It's SPF 50 plus, PA plus, also by Beauty of Joseon. We're gonna say Joseon now, even if we are wrong, doesn't matter. Here we go. So it's just an SPF. Wanted to try this one. Let's open it, eh? Oh, it's sealed. I don't want to open it right now. Let it be. And we have last product. It's from Anua. It's BHA 2% gentle exfoliating toner. This is the product. It's focused, and the color is also gorgeous. Turquoise, and it says keep things simple. but we are born extra. Smells good. And we are done with it. Oh, it has just a serum. It's just a testing package. It's just 2 ml. So thank you. And we are done here. So we have the ribbed off-white pants set now on. It fits perfectly, and ignore if it's a little bit see-through or something. I like it. It's better in autumn, in autumn time, I believe, because it's a little bit warm. You cannot wear it in summer. So, and in autumn I won't be able to wear it like this only. I have to have a jacket. So for that we got something. Ta-da! Cropped blazer. I will probably not wear it like this, but just for the sake of the haul. The sleeve is a little bit longer, but we can deal with it. It fits perfect for me. We love it. Just look into the mirror. It doesn't look nice if you fold the sleeve in this cropped blazer. So I mean, it's not that long either. I can work with it for fashion, you know. So we have the brown pant set on. It's a little bit, as always, but it short girl problem. It's longer pant a little bit, and I need to get it done. And here it fits. The waist is fine, pant also, and the top as well, but here I think I need to tailor it a bit so it fits me perfectly. But I love the material as well. I think it looks nice on me. On the back, it's not backless, but it's half less, back and frontless, one sleeveless, we can say. Yeah, I'll get it done and we'll be able to wear it soon. I mean, I don't feel I'm like short or something. I mean, for example, I love my height. I don't wish to be any taller or something. Of course there are people, because height has never been my insecurities in my life, so there might be something else. There are some other insecurities, but height has never been one of them. So self-love team, we are here. But I'm count as an petite section or short girl, so don't mind as well, but it's okay. We are beautiful anyway. We all are beautiful how we are. Love yourself. I mean, it's easier said than done, but we try to heal and love ourselves again. Not me like out of nowhere starting to like give you a motivational speech. I mean, as I always say, I can't stop yapping, so just bear with me. So, and this is the top from the boxer set, and I got the boxer underneath as well, and it fits me well, and I love the color. And I also wanted to buy pink, but I didn't bought it because I wasn't sure about the sizes of Fashion Nova, so I just ordered it one. And here's the lounge wide leg pant. So it's a bit long, as you can see from here. Balance, but we'll do yoga. Will help. I can't balance it. Is it this pose or something else? It is. We have now this cropped blazer on. As I told you, it's olive color. I am quite into this color past months, I would say. So it looks nice. And it's I can do my dancey dance with this. It's, I need to So finally the search has come to an end. We found a white linen shirt. I mean, it's off-white, but it is what I wanted, so I'm really happy about it because I have searched for it so long online and in shops as well, and I couldn't find the perfect fit for me. But here's I found it finally on Fashion Nova, so we are glad about it. And I'm gonna pair it with some jeans and it will look how I imagined. So yeah, it's just a basic shirt, nothing exciting about it, but I am because I explained the reason already. Anywho, there we have come to an end, I believe. So the search for a linen shirt has come to an end, as has this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to my YouTube channel. Until then, have a good one. We will see us in the next one. Enjoy your time. I hope everyone have a good time, and if not, hope it gets better, because we all deserve better. So that's all for today, and love yourself and love the people who loves you. With that being said, we are done for today. Love. Ta-da.